Okay, yeah. So where were we? The dream. I lost
You
my.
were talking about that.
You were talking about
That what is
that the dream state
Right.
is superior to
That, that's what they said. Yeah, right.
right. And
Because-
giving a reason.
Because those restrictions are not there. No, also the dream is used as a vehicle to get messages to you. That's one way. Now another interesting
a lot
fact.
of the scientists, they all these things, Einstein, everything. Most of these thoughts came to them in the dream.
Sometimes, like depend. Also,
No, the most creative thoughts come in the dream.
also one interesting thing I was telling about this communication language. So anytime I have to go to bathroom, I dream of looking for a bathroom.
In your dream?
Yeah, in the physically. I'm going from bathroom to bathroom, and I find that so many times.
It happens to me as well.
I had
Yeah.
a dream
If you-
about
No,
the
if I'm
bathroom. I was
thirsty-
saying I wanted
Yeah,
to
and
go
you
to
cannot
the
find
bathroom.
it. They are all occupied,
So
or you
I'm
cannot.
looking for the bathroom in my dream,
Yeah,
and so I find one. So
Yeah.
there's one guy. He said, "No, don't go in this one.
Otherwise-
I have one." So he take me to a beautiful garden.
I know.
But it's full of potties all over.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful potties.
See, we
I
all
just want to sit up.
see. I wrote that in my notes that this is how the language
But I think that
communicates.
was a ridiculous dream. I mean,
The language gets communicated this way. So something is happening in your body, but then there's a visual representation of that.
no, but sometimes you also dream that you're actually there and
See, like
then you
the,
wake up.
like the interesting thing is when I first met in 2002 this Ria, the Japanese girl, and so she said, "I have a message from Shiv for you." So I said, "Do you know who's Shiv?" Katya, "No, I don't." But I asked him. He said, "I'm Shiv. I live in the mountains and I'm everywhere." Okay, that's what she said. Then when I heard this Yuvraj Karan Singh's talk on Shiva, exactly the same sentence he used. I mean, it's so amazing that. how
all of
you-
the gods are living far away,
Maybe
but
she
Shiv
was
lives
there
in
too.
India
Huh?
itself. And in
Maybe
the,
she watched the YouTube also.
no, that was
No, this is like I'm talking. YouTube never existed then.
Oh, okay.
But even now, when I was interviewing her in our house, while she was talking, she said, "Yeah, I can go and play with the gods." And she said, "Yeah, I'm with him now." She could tell, but she's not lying. I mean, I've taped that. You can see the way she changed the expression. So it is possible, and that's one way. You can dream. Communication method can come through your dream. Because I asked her, I said, she's a Catholic and Buddhist. I said, so how come only Indian gods come to you? He said, only for you Indian gods come. For others, the other gods come. So it's our connection which comes through.
Yeah.
That's the way it works.
whomever we identify with, yeah.
Huh?
Whomever we identify with.
Yeah.
Interesting.
No, it's very different world. That's the one I'm going to write about because it's not written anywhere and you cannot write that. So that also I got the messages. I got 3 messages. You want to know how to write? Meditate and you'll get the direction. And so every day I'm getting direction now.
Good.
Yeah. So, okay, let's continue the
The second
superiority.
point of comparison in this is that they both occupy a position in between the two. The letter U is in between A and M,
Right.
M in Om. Similarly, the dream state comes in between the waking and the deep sleep. He who is meditating upon the U sound in Om chanting and maintaining an identification between the U and the subtle body develops his mind and intellect to such an extraordinary perfection that he certainly should attain a superior knowledge, and he should prove himself in the world a great genius. Even today, in this world of competition and money-grabbing preoccupations, there is always enough adoration for a greater intelligence. Even in the land where almighty dollar is God, there is a special altar at which people salute that brain trust. In the days of the Vedas, the generality of the public had enough knowledge of the spiritual perfection and the Aryan culture, then was mainly based upon the spiritual values of life. Thus, to promise a householder that his regular meditations upon the Om mantra would keep his lineage pure and spirituality cultured would be a great encouragement in those days. Even today, we find that an engineer father would like to see at least one of his sons an engineer, and we also find that if the father is successful in any particular profession, say law or medicine, his children also develop a great aptitude for the same profession. Following this psychological heredity noticed in man, the Upanishad says that in the family of such learned and erudite scholars of the scriptures, there will not be any member who is culturally low and spiritually base. They are not born, they will not take birth.
Yeah, so according to Aurobindo, if you read Aurobindo's stuff, he talks about when you are about to die, then the whole world, whole life goes before you. And your Manomaya Kosha has your karmas and your desires. And you look over like a globe, you can look at, and there are lights blinking all over. And like those positions are open for you to come closest to your desires and and so you take one of those births. And that's how, you start your life with the new body. But the previous lives, karmas and...
So when do you see that?
Just before you're dying.
Just
previous life.
You select that. But there are, sometimes people don't get born that quickly. They
14 months. They allow 14 months.
What do you mean they allow? Some people, they don't take birth for a long, long time.
According to what I heard was, depending on how much, what level you are, you everybody gets to go to their next desired level. And so that's like 14 months. And the one classic example I have is Nina's mother. She started a Montessori school when she was young, and it grew up quite a bit. When she was here, she always was thinking of school before she was dying. In fact, when she died, then there's a lightning fell on one of the tree in the school same time. Okay, so then they had a choice. They could run the school themselves, they could sell it to an outsider, or they could sell it to one. So they had like 4 or 5 offers. And at that time I was reading this Vivekananda's book about how when I have those papers of Vivekananda, which is direct from God. And he's talking about how when you after death you go and then come back and all that. So that's what I was reading those days. And so they sold it to somebody. In their house, their cousin, a son was born. And I told Nina, this is your mother, because she wanted to run the school. So this guy will run the school. So that's when they started, within 14 months. And they had a choice to sell to somebody else, then something came up and all that. So these guys bought. So these guys are so wealthy, their school became college, all that. Then they moved out of Sitapur to Lucknow. And the son grew up. He did MBA, all that stuff, went all over the place. Now he's back running the school. So they're watching him. So I told them long time ago that that's what he's going to do.
Wow.
So he's running the school now.
That was how many years back?
He must be 25, 30 now.
So 30 years back, you could guess what is going to happen.
When she died, yeah. She died in 69, I think, no?
The desire
89.
must be there. If
She died in
desire is
89.
Intense,
28 years ago she died. So that was her. So that's how I told her.
Oh, that's it. If you have more in certain things,
Yeah, that's...
Then it happens.
No, that's your intense
If you dream
desire.
of an animal, you become an animal also.
That's right. That's one of the rishis, he had that Hiran. He started falling in love with him and all that. Because the consciousness gives you a chance to fulfill all your wishes. Ultimately, when you merge with God, you have to be fully satisfied that I've got everything you want. So if you want to become Queen of England, you can become Queen of England.
There's a long line.
No, because they have. If you watch that movie called Stargate, it's all 360 degrees. There are multiple universes. Things are happening everywhere. There's infinite time. When there's no time, it doesn't matter.
She, Queen of England, is probably about 99 years old, right? She is.
No, but there's not only one. There are many.
I understand.
Many England.
No, but in this universe that we live in, she is 99.
Yeah.
Okay, she has been occupying the throne for roughly about 80 years roughly.
But 99 in the span of time, we are talking millions of years. There's nothing.
Yeah, but Jogindra, आप बता रहे हैं कि you are allowed only 14 months maximum.
No, 14 months after you die,
Yeah.
then you take a birth, so you come closest to that.
If I have a desire to
If the
become
position is
Queen
open.
of England, which I never will, by the way. have a
You have to
desire.
wait for 99 years, huh?
No, I will never have a desire.
Yeah,
But if I did have a desire, and if there are, 10,000
you'll be in line, form a cube.
10,000 souls who are doing the same thing,
Yeah.
and I, your desire doesn't take you. It's really your karma that takes you.
No, both.
Both. Desire
Both.
also.
Desire, depending
But
how
you don't
intense
deserve
desire
it.
is.
You have
Desire
to
is the
deserve it.
karma.
If you don't deserve it,
You know, Shirish,
But all
first is
these people
any
that
action
are
is
born-
preceded by thought,
born poor,
then only it
did
turns
they
into
desire
action.
to be born poor?
So your first
No.
is your desire, then action.
what
But
happened?
they are karmas.
Yeah.
So,
the karma over-
had nothing.
But now when they
karma
are,
heavy.
but when they are poor,
First is
Then
all
they will
mental
say, "I want to
vibration.
be
Desire
rich
is a
now."
mental
Right.
vibration.
so next time they will be rich.
No, that depends on karma. If they owe a lot of money to somebody,
So
and
should
they
we
die-
continue or just say our closing price 12:20 now?
Yeah, we'll close it.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
getting too much.
Maybe, लेकिन this was a good, no, let's do that.
Om Sarva Bhavantu Sukhina
Om Sarva Bhavantu Sukhina.
Sarve Santu Niramaya. We can also
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu
Sarve bhadrani pashyantu.
Ma Kashchita Dukha Bhagaveta
Ma kashita
Bhagaveta. Om
Shanti,
Shanti
Shanti, Shanti.
Om Trayambakam
Yajamahe sugandham
Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandhanam Mrityurmukshiyamamrita.
Om Purnamida Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate.
Om Shanti.
And
अभी
Om.
बस खाने का ही है तो फिर
खाने का है ना ओम.
हाँ ओम तो करेंगे.
खाने का वाला पढ़ो.
खाने वाला मेरे पास नहीं है.
नहीं है. किसी पे नहीं है.
We can just pray, you know, God bless our
Okay.
food.
But पहले ओम बता, ओम करो.
हाँ.
Om.